Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing the app to use the best positioning. Enable high-accuracy location services and make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. Once done, close Pokémon GO fully and relaunch it. This resets the app's GPS requests. If you still see drifting, toggle airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds to reset the radio, then turn it off so the phone requires satellites and network location immediately. These steps correct common permission and signal reset issues. Now you refine internal causes. Clear the app cache or reinstall Pokémon GO to remove stale or corrupted location data that confuses the game. Make sure developer options like mock locations are off and quit any GPS spoofing tools or VPNs because they override true signals. Next, update your phone OS, Google Play services, and the game itself so compatibility issues don't block accurate fixes. Once updated, reboot the phone to apply changes, and you finish by verifying signal quality. Step outside to open sky, avoid tall buildings, and run a GPS status app to confirm satellite lock and accuracy. If accuracy is poor, use a GPS reset or re-download a GPS data so your device gets fresh satellite ephemeris quickly. Make sure to test after each change. If issues remain, collect diagnostics and submit them to Niantic. This helps them identify server or account-side problems. Troubleshooting tip: if you see a stuck location, try a full
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.